प्रभु जी।
हरि बोल प्रभु।
Hare Krishna. Am I audible?
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
Hare Bol.
हरि बोल।
Hare Krishna. Okay, let's start. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिन इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा। Welcome back everyone to our Vedic Maths 9th session. Please give me a minute. I'll just start my PDFs. All right. So in the last class, our last exercise was multiplication by 50 and 25, right?
5, 50, 25.
Very good.
Yes,
5,
Prabhuji.
50, 25. So today we will do division by 5, 50 and 25. Division. Division by 5, division by 50 and 25. All right. So let's say we have this number, and we have to divide it by 5. Everyone understands that this line, it denotes division. This fraction means division.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Or you can write in this way, 125 divided by 5, whichever way you have learnt in school. So one is the conventional method that we all have learned. 5 into 2, 10. Remainder will be 2. Then we write this 5. This method you all have learnt in school. Okay. Now for 5, 50 and 25, we will see a different method. Do you remember what was the multiplication by 5 method we had done in the previous class? What was the method for multiplication by 5? Suppose I have to multiply this number by 5. What was the method? Who remembers?
Oral.
124 into 10 divided by 2.
Okay, 124 into 10 divided by 2. Very good. Now, division is inverse of multiplication. Exactly opposite. Reverse. So, if I have to divide a number by 5, instead of doing 10 divided by 2, what I should do is 2 divided by 10. Exactly inverse. Multiply by 2 and divide by 10. Okay, is that clear? 125 divided by 5 is same as 125 multiplied by 2 divided by 10, because 2 divided by 10 is nothing but 1 by 5 only. Is this point clear to everyone?
Yes,
What we are doing is exactly reverse of what we did in the earlier class. Just reverse, because division is reverse of multiplication. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji. Yes,
Okay.
Prabhuji.
Okay. Now, what is 125 multiplied by 2? 125
250.
multiplied by 2. 250. Multiplication by 2, 4, 8. We have already covered this. It has been covered earlier. So 125 into 2 is 250. And what is 250 divided by 10? 250 divided by 10?
25.
25. 25. So you know that the 0 and 0, they cancel out. Hmm.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah. So this answer will be 25. Okay. Is that clear? Now,
Yes.
Yes, Prabhu.
suppose I have to do 124 into 2 divided by 10. Means I am dividing it by 5 actually. Sorry. So 124 into 2 divided by 10. What is 124 into 2?
248.
248. And what is 248 divided by 10? So here we have to shift the decimal. Because there is one zero in the denominator, the decimal will shift by one place. And answer will be 24.8. So what is the method for dividing by 5? Double the number and shift one decimal left side. That's it. Only two things. Double the number and shift decimal by one place to left side. Is that clear? Only two steps. Double the number and shift this decimal place. That's all. Rest, whatever I have written, that is just for explanation. There is nothing to write here. Okay, so I'll just take a number. For example, I have 63. I have to divide by 5. So what is double of 63?
126.
126.
126. And shift decimal here, and this is my answer, 12.6. This is 63 divided by 5. Is that clear? Double the number, shift a decimal to left side. That's all. Everyone understood?
Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
Prabhuji.
So let's start the exercise. Divided by 5, 65. Yeah, okay. All right, so this is the exercise. There are 12 questions. So 12 students will get chance. Okay, so please start.
Prabhuji, I want to go for B.
Hmm. Oh, Advait, C.
Prabhuji, Rasikas goes for E.
Yeah, please type in the chat box. Huh? Please type
Okay,
in chat box.
Sorry, sir.
So, yeah, no problem. Whatever you want, please type it. As far as possible, I'll try to accommodate. Yes, all are division by 5. All the questions are division by 5. Rasika is not available. You can, okay, I'll give you this one. After completing, please type done in chat box. All right. Can we? Just a moment. Yeah. Can we start?
Prabhuji,
Hmm.
I'm on I.
Yeah. Okay. You carry on. Others, can we begin?
Yes. Yes, Prabhuji.
Chaitali, are you ready?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Very good. So please start.
Okay. Guruji,
Hmm.
5 plus 5, 65. Answer is 12.10.
What have you done?
5 double is 10, 6 double is 12, and
Huh.
decimal point is on left side.
No.
Answer is 12.10.
You forgot how we were doing double. This is not 5 and 6. This is 60 and 5. Correct? What is
Okay.
double of 60
120.
and double of 5?
10.
10. And what is 120 plus 10?
130.
130. Yes, 130. So 130, when you will shift a decimal, it will become 13.0. That means it is 13. Answer is
Okay.
13. Right?
Thank you.
Okay. Aurav,
Yes, Prabhuji.
tell answer.
So what I did was first I doubled it,
Hmm.
and the answer was 270. Then
Okay.
I took off the 0,
Hmm.
and that made it 27.
27. Yes. So 135 double is 270. 100 double is 200, 30 double is 60, 5 double is 10. That is 270. So in 270, if you shift a decimal, this will be 27. Okay. Yes. Next one, Advait.
So I double 375
Hmm.
by means 300's double is 600.
Hmm.
75's double is 150.
Hmm.
So 600 plus 150 equals to 750.
Hmm.
So it was divided by 10. So
Hmm.
I took a decimal to the left.
Hmm.
That gave me 75.
Very good. Perfect. Yes. Next one, Sachi.
Yeah, Prabhuji. It 400 plus 400 is
Hmm.
800.
Yes.
70 plus 70 is 140.
Hmm.
Then so 140. So then 140 plus 800 is 940.
940. Okay.
So then if I take a one decimal, then it will be 94.
Yes, 94. Very good. Correct. Parikshit.
505 double is 1010. 1010 divided by 10 is 101.
Yes, 1010 divided by 10 is 101. Okay. Next one. Daivik.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
actually I don't know how to do this.
Which one?
The J one.
Yeah, that we will see at the end. Wherever you are having difficulty, we'll do that. I'll explain at the end. Daivik, are you ready? Number F.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. 4005 divided by 2 multiply by 10. Double of 4005 is 8010. Now 8010 divided by 10 gives us 801.
801. Very good. 801. Yes, correct. Next one. Rasika.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hmm.
1000 double is 2000. 200 double is 400. And 35 double is 70.
Yes.
So the answer is 2400 70.0.
Yeah, okay, fine. Then you have to divide by 10. 2470 is correct. That is double. Now you have to divide it by 10. So what will be the answer?
247.
247. Very good. 247. Okay. Next one, Shruti.
The double of 7070 is 14,040.
Sorry, 14,000.
140.
Yes, 7,000 double is 14,000 and 70 double is 140. So 14,140. Okay, then
And then divided by 10 is 1,414.
yes, correct.
1,114.
1,414. Yes, correct. Next one, Bhavya.
Yes, Prabhuji. So I did 885. Double of 885 is 1,770, and then if I divide that by 10 is 177.
So double of 800 is 1600, double of 80 is 160, double of 5 is 10. 1600 plus 160 is 1760. 1760 plus 10 is 1770. And for dividing by 10, just remove the last 0 and you get your answer. That's it. Okay. Very good. Next one, Lokpriyanath.
Prabhuji, we write 49 as 40 plus 9.
Yes.
So we double 40. So the answer is 80. And we double 9. So the answer is 18. It gives 98. So 98 by 10 is 9.8.
Yes, excellent explanation. Very good. Okay, next one, Gopi.
Yes, Prabhuji. So, Prabhuji, 52's double is 104.
Yes.
And 104 divided by 10 is 10.4.
10.4. Very good. Okay, next one, Radhe.
Prabhuji, 22.2 double is 44.4. Then I shift the decimal. It gives me 4.4.
Yes,
44.
correct. So this decimal which was existing here, 44.4, it will shift to left side. Now it will become 4.44. 4.44. Okay, now please tell your doubts. Any doubt? Yes, tell.
Actually, I don't have any doubt.
Okay, very good. Anyone else? Any doubt?
No problem.
So now you understood the two steps, double and shift decimal one place. That is how we divide by 5. It's not necessary that we have to divide by 5 in this manner, but especially when you get decimal answers, then this method will give you very quick answer. Okay. So if there is no doubt, we can move ahead to the next one, that is division by 50.
Prabhuji, I figured out the method.
Okay, we will see at the end. Now let me just continue. Any different method? Okay, division by 50. Now, suppose let's take the same number 124. When we are dividing by 5, basically what we are doing is 2 by 10. So that is 248 divided by 10. That is equal to 24.8. This was for division by 5. Now if I have to divide the same number by 50, simply I have to multiply 2 and divide by 100. Instead of dividing by 10, I have to divide by 100. 2 by 100 is 1 by 50. So 248 divided by 100 will give me 2.48. So what is the difference between dividing by 5 and by 50? No difference, except that you have to shift the decimal by 2 places. to left side. Instead of one place, now it will be two places. So if I have to divide it by 500, I have to shift by 3 places, because dividing by 500 means 2 by 1000. Is this clear? The only difference is in decimal place. Check this. That is the only difference. There is no other difference. Is this clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Anyone? Any doubt?
No, Prabhuji.
Okay.
No,
fine.
Prabhuji.
Okay. Let's start the exercise. So here all the values have to be divided by 50. Divide by 50. And if someone did not get a chance in the previous exercise, I'll give first priority to that student. Oh, sorry. Okay, whoever did not get chance in the previous exercise, first I'm writing those names. Vrajpriya D. So after completing, please send message done. Okay, can we start?
Yes, Prabhu.
Right, let's begin. Advait, are you ready?
Yes, Prabhuji. So, Prabhuji, 650 into 2. I did 600 into 2, 1200,
Hmm.
and 50 into 200. So that is
Yes.
equals to 1300. So
Okay.
we have to divide it by 100. So
Hmm.
I took the decimal 2 times left. So answer is 13.
13. Very good. Answer is 13. Perfect. Next one, Radhe.
Prabhuji, I double 1250. I
Hmm.
got 2500. Then I divided by 100, so I got 225.
25. 25. Very good. Excellent. Next one, Bhavya.
Prabhuji, so I doubled 3,300 and I got 6,600, and then 6,600 I just take out the 2 zeros because we're dividing by 100.
66. Okay. Excellent. Next one, Vraj Priya.
Yes, 8 half is 16
Hmm.
and 8 is half is 160.
I can't hear. Can you please talk little loudly, please?
Yes, Prabhuji, 8
Yeah.
half is 16 and
Okay.
8 is half is 160.
Yes. Okay.
So, we have to in 10 we have to do 2 and then point. So the answer is 160.16.
Okay, not like that. Not
Can
like
we-
that.
Prabhuji, can I try?
Yeah, wait. Wait. Just a minute. Vraj Priya, not like that exactly. Made some mistake in doing it double. Okay, who wants to try? Radhe,
Gopi.
Gopi. All right, Gopi, please try.
Prabhuji, 8.8's double is 17.6.
How?
8's double is 8.
Prabhu, 80's double is 160.
No,
and
1 minute,
8's
1 minute, 1 minute. Pruji, let the children explain.
Yeah.
It is for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just removing the point. So 88's double is 80's double is 160
Hmm.
and 8's double is 16.
Hmm.
So total is 176.
Okay.
So when I shift the point, so it's 117.6.
17.6. Okay, now just hold on.
When I shift
Okay,
the
just a
decimal,
minute, just a minute, just a minute. Okay, Vraj Priya, please check. Did you understand this? How to do double? Check it. So if you are ignoring the decimal, if you just take 88, 80 double is 160 and 8 double is 16 and the value is 176. Now if you make it 8.8, if decimal is before one place, here also decimal has to be before one place, 17.6. Did you understand this point?
Yes.
Okay, Vraj Priya, now tell, if you take this 17.6 and divide it by 100, if you divide it by 100, what will be the value?
The value will be 1.76.
Check again, check properly. If you have 2 zeros here, this decimal will shift by how many places?
Oh, yes. 0.176.
0.176. Yes, correct. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Right. Next one, Sachi.
Yeah, Prabhuji. So 44's double is 88.
Hmm.
Then 88 divided by 100 is wait, Prabhuji, 88 divided by 100 is 0.88.
0.88. Very good. Okay, last one, Parikshit.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. 77's double is 154. 154 divided by 100 is 1.54.
Yeah. So 70 double is 140, 7 double is 14, total is 154. Divide by 100 will give 1.54. Yes. Is that clear? Anyone has any doubt? Any doubt? Anybody?
No, Prabhuji.
No, Prabhuji.
Okay, very good. So fine. So let's continue. And our next topic is division by 25. All right, so let's say we have this number 76 and we have to divide by 25. So in the conventional method also it is possible, but it may take little more time. 25 into 3, 75. Then you have one remainder, put decimal. Now what we will do is, for dividing by 25, we will multiply it by 4 and we will divide it by 100. 4 divided by 100 is 1 divided by 25. Correct? 25 into 4 is 100. No? Everyone understands this? 25 into 4 is 100. Please memorize table of 25. 25 is extremely important value for calculations. 25 table, multiplication table, very important number. Right. So now 76 we have to multiply by 4. So what is 70 into 4?
280.
280. And what is 6 into 4?
24.
24. So what is 280 plus 24?
304.
304. 280 plus 20 is 300. Add another 4, you get 304. When you divide by 100, you get answer immediately 3.04. Now multiplication by 4, the different methods of multiplication by 4, we have already covered this earlier. So I'll not get into that detail. It has been covered already. Is this clear? Division by 25?
Yes. Yes, Prabhuji.
Anybody, any doubt?
No, Prabhuji.
Okay, fine. Right. So this is by 25. Now I'll show you 125 also here only. 125. So what we have to do for 125? Suppose I have to divide this number by 125. So for 125, we should multiply by 8 and divide by 1000. 125 into 8 is 1000. Remember that. So we have to multiply by 8. What is 70 into 8?
560.
560.
560.
And 6 into 8, 48. So 560 plus 48, 608. Or you can do double of 304 also. If 4 times gives 304, 8 times will give you 608. And when you divide by 1000, your answer is 0.608. Because now we have 3 zeros. So we have to shift 3 decimal places. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes, Prabhuji.
25 method and 125 method, both are clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now we will take up one exercise, and here you have to divide by 25 as well as 125. Same number by 25 also and 125 also, both. So let's do one thing. First let's do 25 and then we'll do it again for 125.
25, Prabhuji?
Yeah, 25 only. Let's do like this. Initially
Okay, Prabhuji.
25.
Prabhuji?
Huh.
Actually, I want to do G.
So G already allocated to all completed. We have very few questions already done. Next exercise. Okay, so whoever did not get chance in this one, you will get chance again in the next one. We'll again repeat the same with 125.
Prabhuji,
Hmm.
what was the method again?
Which one? 25?
Oh, multiply by 4 and shift 2 places the decimal.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right, let's start. Gopi, are you ready?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Tell.
So, Prabhuji, 225 into 4 is 900. So, 200 into 4 is 800 and 25 into 4 is 100. So my answer is 900. And 900 divided by 100 is 9.
Okay, excellent. Next one, Advait.
550 into 4 equals to 2200. I did 500 into 4, 2000, and 50 into 4, 200. So 2000 plus 200 equals to 2200. Then 2200 divided by 100 equals to 22.0.
Yeah, so 22. Yeah, correct. Okay, next one, Sachi.
Yeah, Prabhuji. So then 40 into 4 is 160.
Hmm.
4 into 4 is 16. So 160 plus 60 is 176. Then
Yes.
176 divided by 100 is 1.76.
One
No,
point. 1.76. Yes, very good. Excellent. Next one, Bhavya.
Yes, Prabhuji. So I did 137 times 4, and I got 548. And then 548 divided by 100, I just moved the decimal 2 places, and it equals 5.48.
5.48. Excellent. Next one, Lokpriyanath.
Prabhuji,
Hmm.
first we write 25.
Hmm.
25 was 4 by 100.
Hmm.
Then 6 into 2. So we double 6.
Hmm.
Again we double 6.
Hmm.
We get 24.
Hmm.
So we double. We divide 100.
Hmm.
We divide 124 by 100.
Hmm.
So the answer is 0.24.
Very good. 0.24. Perfect. Okay, so now I'll repeat the same we will repeat the same exercise with 125, and I'll write the names of those who did not get chance in the previous one. Okay. So now you have to divide by 125. I'm just allocating randomly. Whoever did not get chance. Okay, that's it. Done.
Prabhuji,
Hmm.
actually, I can't see all the problems.
No, not required, Napu. Now you can see here from G to K. Is the same set only. These are not different questions. It's just a repetition. Now we have to divide this by 125.
Prabhuji,
Hmm.
actually, I have a question. How do you multiply 44 by 8?
Multiplication by 8 we have covered already, bro. Multiplication by 2, 4 and 8 we have covered in the previous session. Okay, so let's start. Chaitali, are you ready? Number G.
Guruji,
Yes.
225 multiplied by 8
Hmm.
divided by 1000.
Hmm.
225 multiplied by 8 is equal to 100. 1800 divided by
Yes.
1000 is equal to 1.800.
That means 1.8. Yes. So 225 multiplied by 8. 200 multiplied by 8 is 2000. Sorry, what am I writing? 200 into 8, 1600. 20 multiplied by 8 is 100. 65 multiplied by 8 is 40. Or better, memorize the 25 table. That is best. So you will get 1800 divided by 1000 is 1.8. Okay, next one, Shruti.
Prabhuji, 550 into 8 is 4,400
Hmm.
and 4,400 divided by 1000 is 4.4.
4.4. Excellent. Next one, Vrajpriya.
Yes. 44 half 4 multiplied by 44 is equal to 1768. So the answer is 1.4.
No, not multiplied by 4. Actually, you have to multiply by 8 and divide by 1000. This is division by 125 exercise. So you have to multiply by 8. Anyone else wants to try whose name is not written here?
Prabhuji, I have to try.
Aurav? Okay, Aurav, tell.
So what I did was like 44 times 8 was 352.
Okay, yes. So 40 multiplied by 8 is 320 and 4 into 8 is 32 and the total is 352. Then?
Yes, Prabhuji. Then after that, I moved the 3 places, so it became 0.352.
0.352. Very good. Yes. Okay. Next one, Rasika.
Yes, Prabhuji. 1000 multiplied by 8 is
There is no 1000 here.
137 multiplied by 8 is
Okay, let's do it step by step. Check here. What is 100 into 8? Tell, Rasika.
800.
800.
No, I am asking Rasika. Not everyone. 800. What is 30 multiplied by 8?
24.
24. Is it 24? 30 into 8. Not 3 into 8. 30 multiplied by 8.
240.
240. And what is 7 multiplied by 8?
56.
56. So what is the total?
0.880.
No. The total here, total sum.
1096.
1096. And 1096 you have to divide by 1000. So what will be the answer?
1.096.
1.096. Okay, very good. Right. Next one. Last question, Radhe.
Prabhuji, 6 multiplied by 8 equals to 48. And divide by 1000. So I take it decimal, take it 3 places behind. So it's 0.48. 0.048.
0.048. Because there is a gap here, you have to fit one more 0 here, extra 0. 0.048. Yes, 48 divided by 1000. 1, 2, 3. So there is a gap here. So it will be 0.048. All right. Now that's all for today. If you have any doubt, any clarification, you can ask. Anybody? Anyone? Any doubt?
No, Prabhuji.
No. Okay. So class is officially over. If anyone has any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise,
Prabhuji.
please feel free to.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Prabhuji. Hare
Thank
Krishna.
you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Thank you.